guys, welcome to this new leggings review video. I'm going to talk about the new social media hype leggings from Pairadize Wear. I'm wearing one now, you can't see it yet. And I'm going to try on the other one, which I did not try yet, so I'm really curious. But before I'm going to show you leggings, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So these pants, they're super cool. I'm really excited about them. I have to be honest, they fit so good and they make such a great figure. This one is called Aesthetic Ultra Pants and the other one is the classic pants. I'm going to show them later. But this one is a PVC leggings with a golden zipper. If you want to have one with the golden zipper, be fast. I think this is the last batch, and after that there's going to be a black zipper, which I really like because I like black. Also, the version with the black zipper is a bit longer in the legs, so for this one with the golden zipper I'm wearing boots. The specialty about these pants is the seam here at the side and at the back, which makes a really great booty, I have to admit it. And I have to say, it's really comfortable. So it does not tweak somewhere, I don't know if tweak's a word. It's not too tight, it's perfectly comfortable. I can sit around in this one. The fabric is stretch PVC, so no worries here. And also the waistband is really good fitting, which makes a nice figure and I like that. So I found these pants online on Instagram. They are managed, or they're presented by the founders of the company, two lovely twin sisters. And they're doing a lot of stuff right. I've seen so many great pictures of these pants and so many enthusiastic customers, and I'm really happy that we can work together and that you did send me these pants. Thanks a lot. So since I did not try this one yet, I received it yesterday and I'm really curious and I'm really excited that I'm able to try these now. I'm going to change. Guys, this is so great. I love these pants. Oh, this is so great. I'm 173 centimeters tall. I'm 53 kilograms. I have 53 kilograms. I'm wearing size small, size S, and it fits perfectly. The legs are long enough. The waistband is a bit higher than with the PVC ones, but they're so comfortable and they're so great. They fit just so good and I'm so excited about it. New favorite leggings. I can't stress it out enough. This one makes a really great booty and general figure, and therefore I'm going to show you a comparison between this one and some yeah, H&M leggings. Since I have a new mirror here, I want to try something. Stephanie, one of the founders, posted something on Instagram regarding to booty poses and overall posing, and I want to try this. Although YouTube is probably going to hate me because of all the booty close-up. It doesn't like that at all. Alright, let's see. I'm confused. So confused. Definitely a change. Oh. It's exhausting. My back hurts. I have to admit that I saw that they're cooperating with a lot of fitness girls, like really fit and really muscled and toned girls, and I'm doing some workouts by now. I'm a bit proud of myself. I know I can't compete with all the fitness girls, but these pants really help getting it in even a better shape. So it really looks good also from the sides. Alright, one final styling with these super cool pants. I just can't say it enough somehow. Yeah, combine it with a festival t-shirt and a leather jacket, and I think it looks really good together. I hope you had fun with this video. I hope I could show you something new, something with a great detailed seam here on the sides. I'm going to wear them tomorrow for work. And have a nice day. Bye.